What up, y'all? Today is a good day for y'all to take another ride with me to take a look at some property. Y'all down? Y'all ready to ride with me? Well, if y'all are, let's tap in. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I want to announce a giveaway. Listen, I want to help you on your journey, so I will be giving away one of these options to a blessed winner. You can choose a 1-hour coaching call on real estate, or you can choose a 1-hour coaching call on how to grow your monthly income. You can also choose a month to attend 2 of my classes that are held monthly on real estate. First winner will be announced once we've reached 100 subs. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment below. I look forward to announcing the winner on our giveaway live, so stay tuned. Now, on to the video. All right, y'all, we got 3 houses we got to go take a look at today. So hopefully I can get in contact with the owners and hopefully we can get some deals done. I know y'all tired of me talking already, so let's go ahead, let's get on the road, and let's check these houses out. All right, y'all, the breakdown on this house is that this house is worth roughly $190,000. It has a current balance owed on it of $73,000, which would leave $117,000 in profit and equity. I was able to speak with the owners of this house, and it looks like they're having a little bit of an issue with the kids. And just so you all are aware, whenever it gets down to heirs, sometimes it can get a little confusing. Sometimes it can get a little tense because some people want this value and some people want this value. Some people want this amount of money. Some people want that amount of money. And so what I'm going to try to do after talking to her, I'm going to present to her a deal. And once we finish the framework of the deal, then I'm going to go and speak with the heirs myself to see if I can help them further understand the situation so that we can see if we can get a deal worked out. So we're going to go that route with this one. And so hopefully we can get a deal done on this particular house. Now, let's go ahead and let's ride to the next one. All right, y'all, the breakdown on this house is that this house is worth around $140,000 and they have a current balance owed of around $60,000, which would leave roughly $80,000 in equity and profit. And so when I got to this house, nobody was here at home. So what I did was I left a note, and hopefully by me leaving a note, the people reach back out to me so that we can begin to discuss their options, and hopefully they'll be willing to do something, because I think this will be a pretty good deal for us and for them. And so hopefully, again, I hope they call back. I hope they reach back out, because I think we can help them out and it'll be a win-win scenario for the both of us. So that's the breakdown on this house. So let's go ahead and ride on out to house number 3. All right, y'all, the breakdown on this house is roughly worth $240,000. It has a current balance owed of $75,000, which leaves a good equity and profit of $165,000. When I got to this house, the house owners were not here. So once again, I left them a note, and hopefully they get the note this evening or sometime this weekend and they reach back out to me, because this is another deal where I think I can create a win-win for someone. So hopefully they get back with me. If not, I'll probably touch base with them over the weekend and see where they are and see if they'll be willing to do a deal. All right? So that wraps up all of the houses that we went to look at today. So let me summarize what happened today. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for riding with me today. Listen, we went and looked at 3 different properties. I was able to touch base with one, and it's looking pretty promising at this moment. We're still working on the details and the framework of the deal right now. And so hopefully over the weekend, we'll be able to come up with a solution for her, and we'll be able to get it worked out, and we can go talk to her family so that we can try to work it out for them so that they can keep their house. And so with the other 2 houses, we are still waiting to hear back from those people after I've left them notes. I have yet to hear from them, but again, we have time. So hopefully once they see my notes, they reach out to me, and hopefully we can create a win-win for them as well. I hope y'all notice what I keep saying, creating win-wins, because it's no good for you to be in real estate and you not help create a win for the person you're trying to do a deal with, and also create a win for yourself. If you can't create a win-win scenario, I always suggest there's no need for you to do the deal. All right? So create win-wins. You will find yourself being a long-lasting, successful real estate investor, because not only are you looking out for yourself, but you're looking out for the people who you're trying to do deals with. So once again, we have classes coming up on August the 10th. And so what I would like for you guys to do, and August the 17th, so what I would like for y'all to do is to go ahead, click the links in the comment section and click the links in the description so that you can sign up for those classes. We're going to be going over some fundamentals and some basics of how you can be successful in real estate. And I'm telling you, once you get those tools, you will be well on your way to being successful in real estate. So let me know what y'all think about all the different houses that we went to today. If you got any questions about the houses that I went to today, how to analyze deals, let's talk about it in the comment section. And don't forget about the classes we have coming up. Check the links in the comments and check the links in the description. I appreciate y'all for checking out this video like always, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.